Create a Merry Christmas animation in PowerPoint presentation, how to create a Santa Claus and stars animation in PowerPoint. So let's begin with our presentation without any further delays. Press Ctrl N for a new slide. Go in Layout tab and select the blank slide. Go in Design tab, Format Background and select the slide color into black. So our slide color will be dark. Okay, close the tab. Go in Insert tab and Pictures and select the prop number 1 image. Go in Remove Background and remove the background of the image. Okay, mark using the pencil tool, mark the areas you want to keep and mark Keep Changes. Place it on the left side of your slide. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the object. Go in Rotate panel and flip horizontal and place it on the right side of your slide. Okay, and bring to forward. Okay, now go in Insert tab Images and select the prop number 2. Okay, place it in the center and in send to back. Increase the size a bit so that it comes exactly in the middle portion. Go in Insert tab Pictures and insert a grass image. Decrease the size a bit so that it looks like a real grass on the slide. Okay, go in Insert tab and insert the Christmas tree image. Mark Keep Changes and increase the size of the image and place it on the left side of the slide. Okay, and insert a snowman image. So shrink a bit and place it near Christmas tree. Now go in Insert tab. We have placed it correctly. Bring to front. We can do this over here, and snowman also bring to front. Okay, go in Insert tab and insert a crib image. Okay, okay, shrink the image and place it on the right side of the slide on the grasses. Okay, you can design the slide the way you want. Go in Insert tab and insert a Santa Claus image. Now we will do a Santa Claus animation over here. The most important part of the slide. Mark the areas first you want to keep. Okay, it's very difficult to mark the background areas of this image, but I'm trying my best to do it. So just give me 5 seconds. Okay, type and mark Keep Changes. Decrease the size and keep the Santa Claus image outside the slide. Okay, so that it enters from outside into the slide. Go in Animation tab, go in More Animation and More Motion Path. In Line Curve, select the left. Now you can see a red dot over here. Just drag it to the left side of your slide. Okay, just drag it to the left side of your slide and start up with after previous in pen. Go in Timing and set the duration of 20 seconds extremely slow and repeat until end of slide. Okay, and mark OK. We'll preview it. Okay, you all have seen it's going above the images. So to make it correct, go in Format tab and send to back, so it goes behind the images. Now let's see. You all have seen it's going behind the image. And Merry Christmas animation to 72 and font type to Algerian bold and write Merry Christmas. Okay, and set it in one line. Select the Christmas word. Okay, and select the color to green, dark green. Okay, this much is done and we are done. Stars animation, go in Shapes and insert a 5-point star. Okay, draw a small size star. Add a shape color to white and shape outline to no outline. Shape effect preset number 4 and go in bevel and round and oblique. Okay, now go in Animation tab and select in Exit, shrink and turn. Okay, with previous and set the duration of 5 seconds extremely slow and repeat of until end of slide. Now make duplicate copies of the star. Okay, Control D and place it all over the slide. Okay, you all have seen in the animation tab I have made start with previous of the stars. So okay, so it goes all together with previous. Okay, don't forget. And for Santa Claus it is start was after previous. Okay, I have explained it in the simplest form. If you have any doubts in the animation, you can ask me in the comment section. I will surely answer them. Now we'll previous. You all have seen the stars are going all together and it's coming so beautiful effect it's giving. More duplicates so it covers the entire slide with the stars. It looks a starry night, right? Now go in slideshow and from beginning. The stars are moving and we have our Santa Claus also coming. Santa Claus is saying Merry Christmas to everyone. Okay. You can add transition also to the slide. Go in transition and select any transition you want. I have selected dissolve. Okay. We are done with our presentation. So we are done with our presentation. If you have any doubt, do comment in the comment section, and Merry Christmas to everyone. Do like and share my video and also subscribe to watch such interesting videos in future.